This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping essential tools so you can record immediately. Grab a durable notebook, a reliable pen, and a small ruler. Date the first page and write project name on the cover so retrieval is fast. Number pages as you go. Once done, create an index at the front listing topics and page numbers. Make sure to reserve space for quick sketches and shorthand. These first actions prevent lost details and make later review effortless. You now record observations with clarity and speed. Write a timestamp at each entry so sequence is preserved. Use short phrases and bullet lists for facts, then add one-line context explaining why it matters. Sketch a quick diagram when spatial relationships matter. When unsure, mark the note with a question mark and assign a follow-up action immediately. Once done, add cross-references to earlier pages in the index. This consistent method saves time and reduces ambiguity later. You finish each session by summarizing key findings on the last page of that day so the most important points stand out. Make a habit of photographing or scanning critical pages to a digital backup weekly to prevent loss. If entries become messy or illegible, relabel affected pages and write a clear, clean summary on a fresh page, noting original page numbers. If you still can't read an entry, interview your notes' context and reconstruct facts while memories are fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.